Hello and welcome to Rahman Digital Production. In today's lecture, we are talking about the sets, and let's clear the concept of sets in Python as well. Set are one of the four built-in data types in Python used to store collections of data. The other three are tuple, list, and dictionary, all with different qualities and usage. In Python, set are enclosed in braces or curly brackets. Each element is separated with comma. A set is called a collection which is unordered. You can enter it in one order, and when you are seeing the output, that will be in another order. So you can say that the set are unordered means that the item in a set do not have a defined order. It is also unchangeable, meaning that we cannot change the items after the set has been created and unindexed, as we saw in the previous lecture. Sets cannot have two items with the same value. This is a very important property. Let's clear this concept with the help of an example. There is elements of set because there are curly brackets, so it will be considered as a set, and the elements are hydrogen, carbon, cobalt, and carbon. Carbon is repeated, and let's see the effect when we run this program in the DB browser, what it is saying. So let us run this first cell and see the result, that what it is saying. It is saying hydrogen, cobalt, carbon. Although we have written carbon two times, but because set cannot have duplicate values, so we are seeing only one carbon item. This is the first property of set. Let us move forward and understand the values true and 1 and false and 0 are considered the same values in sets and are treated as duplicate. Let us elaborate this with the help of an example. There is a subject set. Why we are calling it set? Because it is enclosed inside the braces. Physics, biology, chemistry, true, 1, 5 are the elements of these sets. You can see that true and 1 is given. So true and 1 are the same. 1 are alternatively used for true as well, and true can be used for 1 as well. So let's see that whether sets are printing these values twice or only once. We are running this program, and here we will click on this, and you can see true is printed 1. Because I told you that this is unordered, so we written physics first, but computer has given us true value as first. Then we have written biology, physics is given, then chemistry, 5 is given. So it is in unordered list. In any order, the output we will get. And you can see that true is only once and there is no 1 inside it. So true and 1 are considered to be the duplicates values. So that is why we are seeing only once the true, no 1 is there. Let us move forward and understand more concept of this uh, concept, determining the length of the list. How many items are there in the set? We use the len function, or we can call it as a len method. Let us elaborate it with the help of an example. Subject physics, biology, chemistry, true, 1, 5. How many elements are there inside it? 1 is physics, 1 is biology, 1 is chemistry, 1 is true. So 4, 5, 6 are there. Print length the subject, length of the subject, that how many, it will be an integer value. So let us see that how many subjects are there. In this case, we have written physics, biology, and chemistry only, not that one, two, five others. So in this case, they will give us three as the value, as you can see it here. So length is very important property when it comes to practical programming. Then you will see this usage very handy. Now let us move forward and data types. Different data types are there. Subject is a set and it is a string one. Even num is integer and all the integers are entered because strings are entered inside this set. So subject will be considered as a string because integers are entered inside this set, which is with the name of even num. So even num will be considered as an integer set, and similarly boolean values are entered which are true false, so this will be considered as bool, and we can print these all subject. Let's run it in db browser and you can see that the result is printed physics, chemistry, biology, they are all strings, and here it is printed 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10 all integer, and only false and true are printed because no duplicate value is allowed inside the sets. Let's move further and clear our concept with another. Set can be of different data types. Yes, we can see that in a single set there is string, there is integer, there is a boolean, there is integer, there is a string. So it is allowed to enter different data types in a single set, and let us run this program also and see the result. Let us run this program and see the result, and it is giving us true, 34, Alina, 40, and female. No replicate values are there, but the order is not the same in which we entered these records inside the sets. That is why we are calling it an unordered set. So here you can see that there are different data types entered in a single set. So let us run another program and see the type constructor. From Python's perspective, set are defined as objects with the data type set. To determine that what is the data type of the set, we use type set. Let us elaborate it with an example. And here are the same elements: hydrogen, carbon, cobalt, and carbon. And here I am saying print the type of the element inside it. So it will be a set because it is enclosed in braces, and it will be considered as a set. Let us run this program and see the effect of this. So here it is written as set, and we can see that set is given as the data type, which is a class, and type is the set. So this was the whole story about the set. Thank you very much for your time. Allah Hafiz.